A parallelogram has a perimeter of 80 inches. So you add up all the way around, we have 80. And one of the sides measures 18. So let's draw a rectangle, which is a parallelogram. And I'm going to choose these two sides to be 18. It doesn't matter which two sides. It doesn't have to be drawn to scale. And I know these are the missing lengths. Parallelogram means opposite sides are parallel and they're going to be the same length. So when I add all the way up, I have 18 plus 18. I have these two missing pieces, so x plus x, and it equals 80. 18 plus 18 is 36, and x plus x is 2x. Now before I go any further, it says one of the sides is 18, so it's accounted for this one side. What are the other remaining sides? Notice that if I listed these other remaining sides, two of them will be exactly the same, and then the third side will be 18. So when I look down below, I should only have one list of 18. So maybe B is the option, maybe C, and maybe D. All right, now how do I decide what it is? You have a couple different options. One is if you feel confident in your algebra. I'm going to show you two options. You could subtract 36 to both sides. So on your calculator, you would take 80 subtract 36, and you'd end up with 44. And you divide by 2, and you'd end up with 21. So those are your missing, you end up with 22. Those are your missing sides. Now, you didn't have to do that. If you're like, Miss Bradley, I'm not very good with the algebra part, what else could I do? Then you're going to try. You're going to test 13. You're going to go 13 plus 13 plus 18 plus 18 and see if you get 80. If you don't, go on to the next one. 18 plus 18 plus 22 plus 22 doesn't equal 80. Only one of these options will add up to 80.